Okay folks, we're back up and running, full on videos as you can see now. The PC that we've been building is now up and running. There's a video coming on that for anybody that's interested. So first things first, today we're going to get some bulbs put in. We got these from B&Q the other day for 50p. So that one, the bleeding heart, and a couple of cactus dahlias, so we're going to get them in. I wasn't sure whether I should or not. So I went on Facebook and I posed the question to the folks on the group, and everybody said exactly the same thing. Probably a good idea to get it in now. If you leave it in the bag over the winter, then chances are it isn't going to survive. So nothing to lose now, get them in and see what happens. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So bleeding heart first. Get it in some compost, give it a good drink, get it outside and see what happens. Right, there's that done. We'll get that watered up and we'll get the dahlias in next. Okay, that's them done as well. We'll get them watered up, get them outside. We'll move on to the next job, which is unfortunately weeding. Okay, so up here, we're going to pick a few strawberries. I think we've got most of them, but pick a few strawberries, de-weed up there in the carrot bed and all around here. In the parsnip done again. So we'll get that done and we'll move down. Okie dokes, well that's that section de-weeded. We just need to sweep up now. Just to show you a few things about while we're on. I got sent some artichokes off Lou, hi Lou, and they are coming up. I'll just zoom in a bit. Get the focus, there we go. These fellas here. So I put them in place of the gooseberry that we got rid of. Most of the red currants we've now harvested. We've just left a few for the birds to help themselves to. Yeah, we need to clear these trays up and start de-weeding down this end now, so we'll get started with that. Right, and so next plan is to harvest some garlic and get something in there in its place. These ones definitely look like they're ready to be lifted. Most of them are flopping over. These ones here though still seem okay, so we'll leave them ones before we get these ones out. And so in that case, the Casablancas have done the nicest. They've turned out to be the nicest size bulbs. These ones here. They're still not very big, but not bad. We've got a few small ones, but it'll all get used. So we'll leave them for today, let them start drying out. Later on though, we'll take them inside because it's going to start raining. Put them on a tray, get them a week to start drying out, and then we'll tie them up and hang them. Yeah. Right, so I've just moved the garlic over on the logs for now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hopefully get some more growing done and put in a few Swedes and some spinach beet that should have been put in ages ago, but your whole life gets in the way sometimes, so we'll quickly get that done. Just had to switch cameras, but we're back up and rolling. There we go, that's that done then. Let's see what else we can do. Okay, first potato reveal of the year is a 40 litre bucket of Pink Fir apples. So we'll get rid of the foliage and we'll see what we've got.
Have a look, see if there's any. If there's not, I'll put it away. I'll cut the toss up, haven't you? I see some down there, see?
Yeah. It's wet this soil anyway, so that's a good sign.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's a seedling.
Yeah, that's like it. Well, that was definitely disappointing. We definitely need to leave the other ones longer. But they want nice and clean, if nothing else. So put these away, and we'll go and have a go at a bucket of Charlottes, I think. Right, bucket of Charlotte this time, planted on exactly the same date. I think the Pink Fir are a main crop, so I was early with them. I just got excited because there was a lump sticking out the side of the bucket, so I don't know what they were off. Charlotte are either a first or second early, I can't remember which, so let's see what the difference is. we're definitely more promising. Right, there we go. That is a much more productive bucket of Charlotte. Still not fantastic, but I think they could have gone for a bit longer still, so we'll not be harvesting anymore just yet. I think we'll give it at least another month, but I would say they're probably a nice sized potato. There's a couple of them got tiny bit scab on, but that's not bad. That's only cosmetic. It's nothing. It doesn't affect the taste of the teddy or anything like that, but the majority are reasonably clean. I'm chuffed with that. So right, that's it for this one, folks. We'll see you all next time in Mrs. Doyle's garden.